Rather than shifting out the 10-bit sublayer from our binary tile in the geometry layer, it would make more sense to just flip the bits in place. So I've added some constants for that. So in the top level constants, we have added, actually in the binary tile layout within the constants, I just want you to pay attention to these. So the MG0 all mask, BG1 all mask, and the FG2 all mask. Those are going to be used to check our work. And then down here, bin geom in place. We're going to use some of these variables to toggle on and off the internal mirroring bits of our 32-bit binary tile value without having to shift out the individual 10-bit sublayers. So we have all of these bit locations for the midground bits, and then these are the different variables that are bit packed into our 10-bit number. But this is in place. This is in place inside of a 32-bit number. Here, same idea. So this is the background. These are the individual bit masks for these variables in place within a larger 32-bit number. So we're defining all 10-bit locations within a larger 32-bit number. Same thing with this. If we smash all these together, we get a run line sequence of 10 bits within a larger 32-bit number. And here are all the variables, right? The tile value, latching on the x and y, mirroring on the x and y, and our rotational flag. We're going to check our math by taking all of these bits, smashing them together. They should equal this. Same thing for the background layer, should equal this. And if we smash together all of the foreground layer bits, should equal this. So pretty simple. In the MIRMAID function section, we are eventually going to write the body of this code. I keep on promising it, and I keep on pushing it back. I think the next video we will. What we did previously, footnotes, and then way down here is what we did in this video. So you are here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. Like, subscribe, send money.